This video is brought to you by Squarespace. If you're looking to start your very own website, a dope online store, or you need a domain, check out Squarespace. Hey, what's good guys, it's Zach. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another episode of Best Android Apps. As always, application links can be found down below in the description, so make sure you go and check all of them out. First up, we've got bottom quick settings. With phones getting so big and screens getting so tall, accessing the quick settings can be pretty difficult, especially if you have smaller hands. With this app, you're given an alternative to access those toggles from the bottom of the display. Now, in addition to your usual toggles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, auto rotate, and torch, you also get brightness control, a next alarm indicator, as well as shortcuts to the clock app, the settings app, and battery usage stats. The best part about this is that it is fully customizable. You can change the look and feel of the layout with a bunch of different color presets, and if you want, you can pinpoint every little item and change its color. You can blur the background for whenever you access the toggle panel. You can adjust other things like the toggle grid size and the panel corner radius. You can edit the handle, which lets you open up the panel by changing its width, its height, and its position. On top of all of this, you can add additional sliders for things like media or alarm volume. You can add a bunch of different settings toggles. There are a lot to choose from. You can even add actual applications. You can add shortcuts, and you can add URL shortcuts too. Lastly, the cherry on top is that the application itself comes with both a dark and black mode. You gotta try this app out. Next up, we've got Action Dash. Brought to you by these same developers that made the ever so popular Action Launcher, we've got this app that is based on Google's own digital well-being, and it's available for all Android devices running Lollipop or later. Action Dash gives you the stats on your device and application usage. It gives you pretty much all of the details you could want, everything from weekly usage down to the very minutes you use each app. It'll also display how many notifications you've received, as well as how many times your phone has been unlocked. And if you're super serious about your data, you can back it up to the cloud. Now, if you get Action Dash Plus, you'll get access to stats from beyond the past 7 days. You'll get advanced customizations and usage graphs, and you'll get access to the dark theme. This app is also a must try, and it really puts into perspective just how much we use our phones. Third app on the list is Mood Pixel. After keeping track of your phone and app usage, this app lets you log and keep track of your emotions. Yes, your emotions. It's as simple as picking the mood you're in, selecting some additional emotions, and if you want, you can add your thoughts on that day, classic journal style. And that's pretty much it. If you're really into keeping a journal, there's a mode dedicated to that. You can change to a larger grid-like view, and you can customize things as well. So you can choose a different set of mood colors. You've got a bunch of different presets to choose from. You can make your own if you'd like. You can adjust and add moods from the preloaded set. You can make your own here too. And you can even change the background. The app comes with a bunch of different pictures and a small handful of videos. Overall, this is a neat app, and it'll be interesting to look back and see how you were feeling on specific days. Try it out. At app number 4, we have Moser. This app turns your phone into the ultimate measuring tool. You can measure angles, distances, heights, inclines, and more. The app uses special technology along with the phone's sensors and model or dimensions to give you the most reliable and accurate results possible. The app is easy to use, and it gives you all the help you need along the way with video examples, tutorials, and tips. Not only is the idea behind this a great one, but the execution was great too, as this app is nicely put together and it works well. Give it a shot. Halfway down the list, we've got Go to Sleep. If you're like me and you really need to fix your sleep schedule, this app is for you. It's pretty simple. All you do is set a time at which you should be going to bed, or a time that you feel you should be going to bed, and your phone will tell you, hey, don't forget your bedtime's coming up. You can enable smart notifications, set customized notifications, and adjust notification intervals. The app itself is super simple, but it's a great tool to use if you're trying to improve sleep patterns like I am. I am definitely going to be taking full advantage of this because I kinda need to. Next up, we've got the B4 launcher. This is for you minimalists out there. This launcher aims to keep your home screen as clean as possible with up to 8 of your most used applications in text form. Along with this, the launcher looks to filter out your less important notifications so as to show you what you need to know, and you can control what is and isn't important, of course. You're given a list style app drawer with a search function, and as far as other settings go, you can change the background color. You have 7 of them to choose from, one of which is black, which is perfect for AMOLED displays. Definitely a bare bones, super simple launcher that wants to help reduce distractions but gives you necessary functionality. Try it out. Now, if you're not that heavy of a minimalist and you find yourself to be something like a customization freak, these next few apps are for you. Starting off with Waldrobe. This is a super slick Unsplash client a lot of my viewers have been telling me about, and it's quickly become a go-to for Unsplash as it's got one of the cleaner, faster, and more responsive UIs out there. But not only that, it has a baked-in auto-changing live wallpaper function. You can choose how often it changes, what category you want to see, and what screen it'll affect, whether it's the lock or home screen or both. You can also go back and see all of the wallpapers that have been set if you'd like to save them. Other than that, it's a great app to find new wallpapers, and I highly recommend it. It is definitely worth a download. At app number 8, we've got Fuchsia for KWGT. You're looking at 87 different widgets and 15 different wallpapers as of this video. Each widget is nicely made. They look great with their colorful shape and text-based designs. You've got music widgets, search bars, time and date widgets, and more. You will be sure to find something that complements your home screen. I've put a couple on the home screen just for example's sake. They look awesome. Definitely try it out. Nearing the end of the list, we've got the Dion icon pack. This one's a little different from the ones I usually share on the channel, but it's got a very unique, almost cartoon style vibe going on. As of this video, the pack sports nearly 1,300 icons and counting. In fact, it was just updated with 44 new icons just a few days ago. Each icon is very well made with nice bright colors and thick unique looking outlines. Overall, this along with that KWGT widget pack will definitely add some vibrance to your home screen. Next up, we've got a game called HexaTurn. The objective here is pretty simple: prevent the triangle from colliding with the square. Now to do that, you and the triangle will take turns making moves, and to block the path from the triangle, you tap on the hexagons to trigger them. The triangle will take the shortest path to get to the square, and as you progress, you'll find preventing that more and more difficult. You will get certain lifelines as you go, like a double turn, you can freeze stuff, there's a distraction, or remover. Overall, it's a surprisingly challenging game that at first I found way too easy, but as it usually goes with these games, I was proven wrong and ended up really enjoying the game, and I think you will too. Before I close out the video, I wanted to quickly thank Squarespace for supporting the channel. Squarespace is a great all-in-one platform that can help you create an awesome looking website, and it's so incredibly easy to do so since you don't need to know how to code or anything like that. And if you do need help, you've got access to their award-winning 24/7 customer service. You get to choose from a bunch of different design templates to really make things look and feel the way you want. As a lot of you should know, I am looking to create my own website very soon. Let me know if you guys have any ideas for it, and Squarespace is right up my alley. I'm really looking forward to the ease of putting it together and the customization aspect of it, because of course, I'm a customization freak. If you're looking to create your own domain, website, or online store, then head over to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, head over to squarespace.com/ZacharyAnderson to save 10% on your first purchase. But anyway, that does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new. I will talk to you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.